Hey guys, good afternoon and welcome back again to your Unacademy NEET English channel. I hope all of you are doing great and having a good time. So, my dear students, the time has finally come. The thing which we all have been waiting for till now, that is the application forms for the NEET 2026. Right now, just now, an update has come from NTA side that your NEET 2026 registrations are going to start. From where? Are there any changes? Let's get to know exactly in detail from the public notice that came right now from NTA side. So let's have a look exactly on the notice that exactly came. I'm going to read out this notice loud so that you understand if there are any sort of chains, right? You can note down those chains and you can get to know from when your registrations are starting, when is the correction window, etc., etc. All those things I'm going to tell you right here in this particular small session. So be with me till the end. My dear students, inviting online application form for for NEET 2026 registration. First of all, as per section 14 of National Medical Commission Act 2019, the NEET UG has to be conducted and as a common and uniform national eligibility cum entrance test for the admission to undergraduate. This is something which you already knew, right? Let's go to the main section. The exam will be held on 3rd of May. So it's confirmed the exam is going to be on 3rd May 2026 and the duration of exam will be 180 minutes. So exact 180 minutes, it's not going to be 200 minutes. So please take a note of this. The duration of this particular exam is just going to be 180 minutes. Unlike it used to be before, like 200 minutes, not this time. The NEET UG 2026 will be conducted in 13 languages, okay? Assamese, Bengali, English, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Malayalam, Marathi, Odia, Punjabi, Tamil, Telugu and Urdu. Online submission of application form 8th February 2026 to 8th March 2026. So from 8th February 2026, that means from today, right, till 8th March 2026, right, you can fill your application form for NEET UG examination. Last date of successful transaction of fee through credit debit net banking is 8th March. So till 8th March, you can submit your fee when you go for the registration of your NEET UG. Correction in particulars. If there are any correction in the application form that you can do from 10th March to 12th March, right? Fees payable to by candidate. Category of candidate centers in India, outside India. This is mentioned here. General category 1700 rupees. General AWS category OBC NCL 1600. SC ST PWD third gender it is 1000 rupees, right? Announcement of city intimation that will be to be announced later by the website. Downloading of admit cards that will be again that's to be announced. Date of examination 3rd May. Duration of examination 180 minutes. Timing of examination 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Center of NEET UG 2026 examination as indicated on the admit card which you will receive for sure. Display of recorded response and answer keys to be announced later. So this is something which I believe you got to know till now. And let's have a look on all these important points, all these important instructions which we always get when the registration forms, when you get to, do your registration for NEET 2026. See, candidates can apply for NEET UG 2026 through online mode only. So you can apply through online mode. You just have to click on this particular site, neet.nta.nic.in. Submission of online application form may be done by accessing NTA website. Candidate has to upload recent passport photographs, address proof, scanned signatures, etc. For detailed information, please read the information bulletin carefully. So information bulletin will be also given to us, right? So till now, there are no changes. How the way you used to fill the application form, again, the similar way you have to fill it. Only one application is to be submitted by the candidate. So don't expect that if you do a lot of corrections, don't expect you can fill the application form twice or 3 times. No, it is just once. It's just once. Now, similarly, my dear students, candidates must strictly follow the instructions given in the information bulletin and on the NTA website. Candidates not complying with the instructions shall be disqualified. Candidates must ensure the email address and mobile number provided in the online form are their own or parents' guardians only, as well as information communication will be sent by NTA through the mail. So all the email address, mobile number, it should be either of the candidate's number or it should be the number of the email number of their parents' guardians. So because NTA keeps on mailing you on these email IDs about your admit cards, etc., etc., etc. So there should be no chaos in that. So finally, my dear students, if I need to summarize it from today till 8th March, you can fill your NEET 2026 registration form. The examination is going to be held on 3rd of May. Examination time is going to be again 2 to 3, and at the same time duration is going to be just 3 hours, 180 minutes. Perfect. And from 8th February to 8th March, you can fill your, fees for this registration as well. Correction windows will be also open from 10th March to 12th March. So this is the main crux of the today's section. Okay, today's information. So I believe this is clear to you, and from today only, you will start filling your NEET 2026 registration form. But when you fill the NEET 2026 registration form, make sure that you don't commit any sort of mistakes, whether in spelling, date of birth, mobile numbers. Please take care of all that properly. Okay, because it's then a tension. It becomes a tension if there is some mistake while filling the form, right? At the end, it becomes that mental stress. Yes, I did a mistake. What if this happens now? What if that happens now? Anyways, they are going to give the correction window also. But still, I want you guys to avoid that trauma. Okay. Now, my dear students, now this is the high time to go and get serious now. So I would want every one of you means everyone. So on this particular channel, your Unacademy NEET English channel, we are running a series in which entire syllabus is getting completed in 1 month, right? So my dear students, today exactly at 5 p.m. I'm going to take class 11th inorganic chemistry. Complete class 11th inorganic chemistry I'm taking. This particular marathon, it'll be for 5, 6, 7, 8 hours. I don't know exactly. So join me today exactly at 5 p.m., right? And let's kill this complete class 11th inorganic chemistry. And similarly, tomorrow are going to be top 300 questions of inorganic chemistry. Then it's going to be your class 12 zoology marathon, which is again going to be 12 to 14 hours. Then top 500 questions of your zoology. So in this month, we are completing your entire syllabus in detailed manner with all the problem patterns, everything on this particular channel, that too free of cost. So this was a quick update I thought to share with you, right? So do registration as soon as possible. Wishing you all the luck. Take care, guys. God bless you all.